Hi, Lisa from Dippy Dyes here. I wanted to introduce my class, the Basics of Dyeing 101, where we cover how to make dye stick to cotton fabric and washing it out. Always a question that I hear in class and at lectures. I teach one-on-one or two inside at my studio and can do 6 or 8 people outside on the driveway, so we need good weather. But this class of basics introduces and tries to answer a bunch of questions like, what happens if you take 4 pieces of fabric that are the same size, these are approximately fat quarters, and each one has a little bit more or less dye on it, depending on how you look at it. And so it's a real easy way to see how, let's just make these look real pretty, how to make a value gradation in a real easy fashion. We do some rainbows where, color wheel, we've got 12 recipes. Here are 2 different ones, and obviously a bright yellow and a warm, slightly darker yellow. The blue, where'd the blue go? The bright yellow got mixed with the bright blue. The warmer, darker yellow got mixed with a darker blue. And red. Knew there was another color in there. Red is a little bit different in both of these also. So the warm yellow and the dark blue went with this almost orangey warm red. And oops, that says 5. I should compare apples and apples, huh? There we are. Much more of a fuchsia or magenta or kind of a hot pink. And as a result, I'll just show you the back of this bundle. We have a real poppy kind of green, very bright, compared with a deep dark woodsy green. I guess this is actually the yellow green. There's more of the green. So we do talk about how to achieve different values with dye, how to get different colors with dye, and what happens when you throw a bunch of fabric into the same container at the same time. The yellow was on the bottom with purple and then green on top, but it still stayed yellow. So fun stuff. And you can look at my website for all the class offerings. This is the first of many videos. And also what my rates are for guilds at the current time. Thank you very much for looking. I hope we can get together and learn about dyeing cotton with MX. Thanks.